Earlier at the blacksmith shop, we heard that Xihu has a local specialty dish. Could it be rice in bamboo tubes?
That's right.
We have rice in bamboo tubes in Thailand as well. Ours usually contains sticky rice with black beans, red beans, and coconut milk, making it sweeter. So how can I tell what makes Hakka-style rice in bamboo tubes unique?
It's all about the ingredients. The rice is locally produced in Xihu. Then another important ingredient, which is the soul of the recipe, the preserved mustard greens. In the early days...
Oh, I see. I knew all the other ingredients. I was just about to ask what these two are.
Think of it as a variation of the Hakka-style braised pork with a different form.
Just listening to you talk about it is making me hungry. I can't wait. Please teach me how to make it.
All right. First, we mix the preserved mustard greens into the rice. Why? Because in this way, the rice will absorb the aroma of the preserved mustard greens as it cooks.
Oh, mix them together first?
Yep, you can decide which ingredients to put in and how to layer them.
Did people plant lots of bamboos here in Xihu?
Mm-hmm.
Have bamboo always been connected to Hakka culture?
Yes, we do bamboo weaving.
Bamboo weaving?
In the past, many daily tools and utensils were made from woven bamboo. Many people planted bamboo along the edge of the fields to serve as windbreaks. When planted near homes, bamboo could be harvested for bamboo shoots. That's why bamboo has always been an essential part of life.
Bamboos are both edible and practical.
Yes, bamboos are deeply intertwined in our daily lives.
Placing the local ingredients into natural bamboo tubes, visitors like me can also create their own DIY bamboo lunchboxes with a Hakka twist. This not only shortens the food journey and promotes environmental sustainability, but also helps me understand the deep connection between Hakka culture and bamboo. Look, it's still steaming. I'm so excited.
Yes, freshly cooked. You just need to open it up.
We covered the top with the leaves of shell ginger, which could be removed now. Wow, it looks so hearty.
Doesn't it?
Open it up with a knife?
Yes, it's quite simple. After being cooked, the bamboo softens, so you only need to make a small cut and it will open easily.
Wow.
Here, be careful.
Thank you. It looks beautiful.
And do you smell the fragrance of the shell ginger leaves?
Yes, I do.
The bamboo aroma is enhanced by the scent created by the shell ginger leaves.
Okay, I'll dig in.
Okay.
The rice is so tender.
Yeah.
I can taste the sweetness of the cabbage, carrots, and corn, along with the savory flavors of the meat and preserved mustard greens. The seasoning is perfect.
Everything blends so well.
This is different from the sweet version I'm used to, but it's equally amazing.
Even though Xihu is a small place, in fact, Xihu has a rich cultural heritage.
I know. There are so many successful scholars from here.
That's right. Well, let's finish up and head out to explore the reasons behind this cultural richness.
Sounds good. This dish is truly delicious. After savoring Xihu's most authentic Hakka-style rice in bamboo tube, a scholarly journey through the countryside awaits me. I feel like I've been transported back to Bangkok on one of those tuk-tuks. And look at this beautiful scenery and endless stretch of rice paddies. Where are we now?
This is Xihu village in Xihu township. Here at the flatlands are used mainly for rice cultivation. We're now looking at the second crop of the year. And in a little while, it'll be ready for harvest.
It looks like gold. Such a stunning golden hue. So beautiful.
Yes, we call this the golden pathway. The name comes from the fact that when the rice ripens, it turns golden and the heavy heads of rice bow downwards, symbolizing humility. Hakka people have the habit of doing these things based on the weather.
On sunny days, they farm. On rainy days, they read.
Absolutely. Hakka people value both farming and education. These two are the vital pillars of life. Hakka people make the best use of time. They live by saying, "There's a golden house in books." That's why Xihu has such a rich literary heritage. Did you know that many scholars and governmental officials came from Xihu?
I've heard many scholars and governmental officials came from this area.
Yes, the pathways plays a role in this legacy.
Really? How so?
Let's finish up here and I'll take you to uncover the secrets behind it.
I'm intrigued.
You'll see.
As the sun sets, its golden rays cascade over the land. The golden rice stalks sway gently in the breeze. Riding through the countryside in an electric cart brings a sense of peace and relaxation. I can truly appreciate the hardworking spirit passed down through generations of Hakka people. Following the golden pathway, we arrive at a temple called Xuanwang Temple. It's said that the secret to Xihu's rich literary tradition is hidden here. Wow, what a beautiful temple.
Isn't it?
Why does it say Yunti Academy on the sign?
This academy was essentially an old school. In fact, it was the first school in Miaoli.
You're saying Miaoli's first school was here in Xihu?
That's right.
Why was the first school built here?
It has to do with the Liu family. Liu Enquan arrived here during the Qianlong era of the Qing dynasty to develop this area. Although he was uneducated himself, he believed that education was the key to transforming his family's future and becoming successful. So he generously donated land to establish this academy, which later became the first temple in Miaoli to honor Confucius.
He was truly remarkable to have made such contributions to promoting education and local culture.
Absolutely. As a result, the region produced numerous writers, scholars, and governmental officials, as well as more than 20 doctors and PhD holders later on.
It turns out that Xuanwang Temple was originally a private school founded on land donated by the Liu family. During the Japanese colonial period, modern schools were introduced. Yunti Academy no longer served as a school and transitioned into a Confucian temple. The original Confucius deity tablet from the academy is still enshrined here today. Being in this space, I feel the selflessness and perseverance for scholarship of the Hakka people. Along the way, you can also visit Liu Enquan's historic residence, a 2-century-old estate. This elegant courtyard house with 3 sections is a significant cultural landmark in Xihu Township. Its collection of historical artifacts offers a glimpse into the thriving literary culture of the time. After touring the residence, I'm hungry again. I've heard that there's a restaurant in Xihu that serves exotic wood-fired cuisine. What could it be?